Do you work at a desk job and still struggle with back pain no matter how much you stretch or move around throughout the day? And especially if you're living in Bangkok and your back pain keeps coming back, this is for you. Okay, so what I'm going to show you a little bit. This is your spine. And this red part here, this is a bulging disc, and this is one of the most common causes of back pain in desk workers. It can lead to neck tension, lower back pain, and even sciatica pain that runs down your legs. So what I'm going to show you is you got to think about this disc like a jelly donut. When you sit for long hours with poor posture, the pressure builds and the jelly just starts to push out, okay? And that bulge can press on the nerves, creating pain, stiffness, and even that kind of tingling and numbness. So here at Pain Free Me Studios here in Bangkok, I help active desk workers and digital nomads fix their issues naturally. You know, we don't guess, we assess. We use digital posture screens, myofascial release, and targeted mobility work. We get to the root cause of the problem so we can resolve this pain. So if you're dealing with pain for more than 3 months and nothing else has worked, it's time to try something that actually does. So I want you to go ahead, you're going to head and click the link below to book your 50-minute pain-free me sessions here in Bangkok, and we can finally end your desk job pain for good. So you don't have to live like this. So let's get you moving pain-free again. This is everyone's favorite health coach, Mike Jones, signing out, and have a pain-free day. Until next time.